The Barrett M82 is a recoil-operated, semi-automatic, anti-materiel precision rifle developed by the American company Barrett Firearms Manufacturing. Also called the Light 50, the weapon is classified in three variants: the original M82A1 models, the Bullpup M82A2 model, and the Barrett M107A1, with an attached muzzle brake. The M82A2 is no longer manufactured, though the XM500 can be seen as its successor. Despite being designated as an anti-materiel rifle, the M82 can also be deployed as an anti-personnel system. Barrett Firearms Manufacturing was founded by Ronnie Barrett for the sole purpose of building semi-automatic rifles chambered for the powerful 12.7 x 99mm NATO ammunition, originally developed for and used in M2 Browning machine guns. The weapon was first sold to the Swedish Army in 1989. In 1990, the United States Armed Forces purchased the M82A1 during Operations Desert Shield and Desert Storm in Kuwait and Iraq. About 125 rifles were initially bought by the United States Marine Corps, and orders from the Army and Air Force soon followed. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.